Today we are showing you the best way to create stunning stitched braids. Let's get you started right away. Begin with clean, dry, tangle-free hair to ensure a smooth canvas for your braid. Part your hair in the middle with a rat tail comb. Slick the middle part with some gel to have it looking neat. After this, all you need are some braid hair extensions and you are good to go. Hold one half of your hair using a hair tie and start working on the other half. For these stitch braids, we'll have smaller cornrows between each two cornrow braids. So we'll start with a small cornrow braid first. Separate a small segment of hair and hold the other part with a hair tie to prevent it holding the other hair with this one. Start braiding. Start a small section of hair from the top near your forehead. Start cornrolling the section with a braid extension and only add more extensions if you want it thicker. Just see how neat that cornrow is. Now for the stitch braid technique. Instead of a regular braid, we'll be separating the hair into smaller individual segments and plaiting each segment into a twist. You can also plait the segment into individual braids. Here we choose twists because they are easier to undo. Make these individual stitches with uniform amounts of hair. For the very last segment at the front, don't hold in a twist since it's the hair you will use to start the corner. You can hold down the very first segment of hair with some gel to make the start of the cornrow braid slicker without any stray hairs pointing out. Divide the first segment into 3 and add your braid extension. Start cornrolling the twist segment together with extensions. Keep adding extensions until you reach the desired thickness and length you want for your cornrow. Keep on cornrolling as you join each segment together till you reach the bottom. Do this for each part and you have the most stunning stitch cornrow braid at the end. And there you have it, a beautiful stitched braid, and that's perfect for any occasion. Practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to master this technique. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.